This is Van Jackson, president founder at Arithmetic Consulting, where we get you operationally stronger in your project management and agile processes. I just want to take a moment and just give a huge shout out to Matt Easton and his team over there at Easton University. These guys are super legit. Matt is legit. It's very different from any other course or sales course that you'll take. I've taken a bunch of them. This is unique in the sense that you get someone who's along with you every step of the way. Not only the on-demand training and all those great tools that they give you and handouts, but someone face-to-face talking to you saying, go in this direction, say this, pivot this way, and boom, you land your deal. So I can't recommend Easton University enough. If you haven't tried it, do it. It'll be the best thing you did.